What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use AI to summarize YouTube videos. There are different options to try this out, but for this video we'll be using the Copilot AI on Microsoft Edge browser. As you can see, we have it in the top right corner and we can click on it and it says summarize this video, expand this topic. So you can click on summarize this video right here and it's going to bring a summary for you. Alternatively, you can click on the X, take it out, but because you're on the Edge browser, you can go over to your video and at the top area, you can see some options, picture-in-picture, enhance, and then you have summarize video. Once you click on it, you can see summarize the video on this page. So it provides a prompt by a single click. And then it says the video from Business Insider explores why cashew nuts are so expensive. And the name of the video is why cashew nuts are so expensive. And there you have your summary. It is a 5-point summary and you can read through the summary of your video right here. So it's a neat feature as you're watching and you want to take notes, of course, you can have the AI provide a summary easy and fast for you. So this is an option among other options, of course, of how to use AI to summarize YouTube videos, in our case using Copilot on our browser.